Well, good day, good day, good day. YouTube, Facebook, family and friends. Let me walk on out here further away from this tractor. I got the tractor running because he's getting ready to go down here and turn up the potatoes. See what kind of potato crop we got out here this minute. Oh, dropped my water. Hang on a minute. Okay. Whew. Alright. I'm gonna walk on down here and I'll be back with you in a minute. Well, we haven't made it down there yet. Had to get the tractor hooked up here.
Come off the ground with
You gotta get it up enough not dig the yard up.
Yeah.
Go through the yard mile. Well, I think we're gonna have. I think we'll have a good potato crop.
Well, I hope. I don't know. Got them anyway.
You had your doubts early on.
Manny didn't have that good of it. He might have got 150 pounds, but he didn't plant but maybe 20 pounds potato.
Yeah.
One short row is all he had.
Yeah, that ain't bad, huh?
Like more than he had.
Yeah. Anything's better than nothing. I think you'll make it down there without dragging anything back.
Yeah.
All right. And we're off to the field. I'm headed that way. Oh, my gloves. Oh, I put them back in the truck. Okay. All right. Now we're off into the wildlife. To the potato patch. I say there's a ton of potatoes down there. I believe in those potato vines. That's like yesterday's work right there. Remember that? Well, we headed east here. I gotta get down here and get the gate open. I'm being followed by a tractor. Probably the only person I trust drive behind me with a tractor. All right, there he comes. over 200 feet of it. That's going to be something right there now. Here's how you do it. I got potatoes on the ground right here, Scott. There's potatoes right here. You right here is where we need to be. But that's okay. Ground's got to be turned up anyway eventually. It becomes my cane. That's pretty bad. Potatoes playing hide and seek with us here. Potatoes here. Look at that. Red potatoes. Oh, you hit it
every now and again.
You hit it here, but I guess you're not making. The ones that I saw on top of the ground, you threw some dirt on top of them right there.
Let me try to hit this one right here.
There's 2 rows, right?
I think there's 3 in the
3 rows.
Actually, I guess I better pick him up before I fly back to him. I might run over. I need that again.
Well, there's definitely potatoes in the ground. As you can see. Quite a, oh, he hit the mother load right here. Potatoes, 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 potatoes. More and more potatoes. Yeah. And I think if he makes a row just past that one, he'll hit another big pile of them. And then right over here somewhere is another row, and I think he's right about it. See anything? Potatoes getting hard to find. Hide and seek potatoes. Red hide and seek potatoes. Well, I've done my running. I'm back home. They're still down there picking up potatoes. And I'm gonna work on this up here. Something that I can do. Oh yeah. Take you for a little walk. Want to be able to mow this, run a riding lawnmower through here, and to do that I need 5 foot and 5 inches this direction towards the pasture before, so we got that figured out. measured each tree because they're not perfectly in a row. But that stake right there is the one where the fence has to go. But I've got this done all the way back to the shed, and I finally got that corner down there cleaned all out. Like I think I showed you in the other video about how I did that. I got that part finished. Now, I'm not going to worry about it at the moment, but I still got this corner here to do. But there's barbed wire and stuff in there. I've got to get cleaned out of there first before I mess with it. Now I'm going to go down this road. See them blue stakes? Well, there's fruit trees all the way down through here. There's a whole line of them in the midst of all that hay and all that grass there. But after I get it a few strips mowed out of here, over on this side, I'll get my 5 foot 5-inch measurement on this side of where the fence is going to come back up and meet this one to run down, and then we guess cut back across to keep the cows out of the fruit trees, and then the cows get to eat on all of this. It'll work out pretty good. So I'm gonna get right on it and at least knock 2 or 3 rows out here, or maybe 4. One down, one up, one down, one up, just to get a head start on it here. There's a little breeze blowing. Lawnmower still sitting out here, and weed whacker still, the little weed whacker is still sitting out here. Still haven't got the sawdust around the trees yet, but getting it ready for this fence is something we really need to get done. So I'm focusing on that before I go back to worrying about the sawdust around the trees. Yeah. Anyway, I'll be back with you shortly, and we'll be whacking weeds again today. Just about accomplished the fence row. Where it's going to go, I've been up and down some on both sides of it. The trees are still in the grass, but I run out of gas all the way down yonder at that gate. Way down there. I couldn't run out up here where the gas, I wouldn't have to carry the gas can very far. Had to be way down yonder. Yeah, pretty typical. But anyway, let's go see what the rest of the crew's doing. Now it looks like the rest of the crew's coming to me. I don't have nothing for you. Going back to the barn. Mercy sakes. Hang on, I'm coming right straight at. Got there and look, they're all in a row. They got their ducks in a row. Hey y'all. Three, four, six. There's 10 of you. Where's the rest of you at? Oh, you flew away? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Nah, they're around here somewhere. No, they flew away, huh? Well, they must have went on break. They haven't finished yet. But that's the payload so far. A lot of potatoes. Still got all the way down yonder to go, it looks like. Working on this row right here. Mercy. Okay. Potatoes. You wouldn't believe this if I didn't show it to you. But I come back, got gas in the thing, and started knocking down some more. And believe it or not, my 5-day project is now getting longer. It's starting to rain again. I gotta hurry up before it starts raining because the windows are down on the truck. Yep. It's determined for me not to get this done. But I'm going to eventually. Oh yeah, I took a shortcut, made me a trail all the way through the pasture. Oh man, and the ducks has done took cover under the truck. Whew. I'm serious. This rain is determined to not let me. I don't know how much it's going to rain, but it's raining. It's just determined. And I really figured by this evening it wasn't gonna rain today or tomorrow. I'd go ahead and mow inside the fence around the house. But if it don't do any more than this, I will be doing it. But I got a feeling it's gonna rain a little more than this. Where are the keys to this truck? I drove my truck down through there and carried that gas can down there. Could have got a 4-wheeler, but the gas can was in the back of the truck already, so I had to pick it up over and over. Okay. Just didn't need this rain. We don't need it today. But we're getting it. So I guess we did need it. I just didn't know it. I've got to get my camper cleaned up and ready to go. I can't seem to get ahead because the rain keeps making me fall behind. Okay. Well, if I get back out here and start on it again, I'll get back with you. But right now, I've got rain on the screen here. Everybody keep a smile. It's not over yet. The day's still young. Well, we finally got a pretty good shower. Poured down enough to get everything soaking wet, so I didn't do a whole lot more. Supposed to rain again tomorrow, but if I get a chance, I'm gonna take a stab at it again. At least get my 5 foot 5 inches marked off, and go from there. So let's see. We found them potatoes that was hiding from us. Of course, you'll see the video. You've seen the video already. I mean, you're at the end of it now. I want to tell you, put a picture of my t-shirts up there. I got me some t-shirts made. There we go. Random things I do. And on the front, that's on the back. On the front, I just got an emblem of it. You'll see the t-shirt. Yeah, I'll put it in there too. Anyway, I want to wish everybody a good night. And remember to keep on smiling, because somebody needs it. And most importantly, remember, Jesus loves you. And I'm calling it quits for tonight. So, God bless. Just random things I do. That's it for me for the night. Alrighty. See you tomorrow.